my goddesses, so to start we're going to go in our Be Perfect Carnival's X Pro palette, and we're going to start in with the color Slow Burn. The next color we're going to go into in the same palette is going to be in the color Reckless. And the final color from this palette is going to be Haul. So to cut the first crease, I'm going to go in with MAC's Paint Pot and Painterly. Now I'll be going in with MyoMakeup's Loose Pigmented Eyeshadow in their light pink color. So now I'll be cutting the crease again for the second time with the MAC's Paint Pot and Painterly again. Okay, so now the color I'm going to be going in is with the color Foolish. It's a light pinkish blush color. to create my wing liner, I'm going to go back in with the MyoMakeup's loose eyeshadow in the light pink color, but I'm going to mix it in with some of my setting spray to give it a liquidy foundation, and then I'm going to go back in with the loose pigment to give it the popping color. Okay, for mascara, I will be going in with the Revlon's All-in-One Mascara. I will be putting my lashes off camera. I do have a tutorial for how to put lashes on the easy way. Alright, so for the face, I'm going to be starting off with the NYX Pore Filler Primer to prime my face. Now I'll be going in with Revlon's Colorstay Foundation for dry skin in the color 400 Caramel. The concealer that I use is LA Girls Pro Concealer. I'm going to go in with medium beige first, and then I'm going to mix it with Fawn. Okay, so the contour, I'm going to be going in with MAC's Concealer in the color NW55. So to set my face, I'll be going in with the Airspun's Loose Setting Face Powder. Now to contour, I'll be going in with the Black Radiance's True Complexion palette in the color medium to dark to contour all over my face. Now I'll be going in with the Fit Me blush in the color Berry Baie. Okay, now to set my face, I'm going in with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, and I'm going to go in with my favorite highlighter, which is a Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt in Stone Cold. Now to line my lips, I'll be going in with the NYX lip liner in brown, and then I'll also be going in with the NYX lipstick color in Confident, which is their lingerie set. Okay, so for my lip gloss, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in a light pink color. my goddesses, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later.